Newton County, Henry County, Rockdale County, and all of Atlanta. Get ready for a celebration. June the 4th, 2023. It's the installation service of Pastor O. Quintard Bryan as the 10th senior pastor of the Sims Chapel Baptist Church. At 11 a.m., Pastor Vincent L. Wilson Jr. of the Pleasant Grove Baptist Church in Phoenix City, Alabama.
In this breakout season, the oil over your life is about to spread over the whole territory that God has blessed you with. So that means your house is about to be blessed. Your cars are about to be blessed. Your bank account about to be blessed. Your mindset about to be blessed. Your steps about to be blessed. Your back about to be blessed. Your knees about to be blessed. Your hands about to be blessed. Your feet about to be blessed. Your stomach about to be blessed. Is there anybody here that can testify and say, I'm blessed in the city, I'm blessed in the field?
At 3 p.m., Bishop J. Nathan Page and the Victorious Life Church of Albany, Georgia.
Your praise ought to hit you a little different, because I got a rhema promise. God promised me that he was going to heal my body. That's a specific promise. God promised me that he's going to take care of my children. That's a specific promise. He's stretching you out. And preachers, I want you to know that God is, he's enlarging your territory. Can the church say yes? The Lord told me to tell you what he told Father Abraham.
And our very special musical guest, J. Nathan Page and True Glory. Put on your Sunday's best, grab your shouting shoes, and let's have a celebration. Meet us, 61 Sims Chapel Road in Covington, Georgia. See you at the chapel.